Good morning, Kilmer K through 8. Today is Wednesday, January 13th, 2021. As a reminder, what are our core values? Respect, responsibility, and empathy. We are focusing on respect this week, as well as our SEL strategy of being a positive leader. I absolutely want your examples of how you or someone you know is showing respect or is being a positive leader. And speaking about absolutely send those my way. Absolutely. Ab starts with a prefix AB, and that leads us to some of our words of the day. So the prefix ab means away from. It's a Latin prefix meaning away from. Let's look at those. You see those words that we have here? Abnormal, abvolate, and absorb. So what do those mean? I bet you can tell me what abnormal means. If you know ab means what? Away from? Normal. So it's away from being normal or not normal, right? Look at this, abvolate. So that comes from two Latin. So ab meaning away from, and volate comes from the word volare, which is Spanish. Not Spanish, but Latin. However, you would see volar, volare in Italian, in Spanish, vole in Haitian Creole, which means what? If you know some of these other languages, it means to fly. So abvolate means to fly away from. And then last but not least, we have absorb. Can you think of anything that absorbs? So the thing I'm thinking off the top of my head is a sponge. If you have water on the floor and you take a sponge, it will remove or suck in and draw in the water away from the floor. So therefore, it's absorb away is going away from the floor, to be drawn in from the floor in this case, or away from. So that is what ab mean. If you see some other words with ab, I bet you can come up with some other words where you see that prefix ab. If you do, send them my way. I'd love to share that. And I will just say, Jacoby actually sent me from yesterday when we were working on co-worker. And what is co-worker? It's someone you work together with. So there it is. You're going to see these words coming up and see these roots, and you're going to be like, oh, I know what that is because Mrs. Moses taught me. So anyway, send any of those words my way. I have a couple of jokes for you. First of all, I want to say that I received a joke from two different students, the same joke. So like great minds think alike. So Atamawa in Miss Schindler's class, grade 4, and Mary in Mr. Kernan's class, grade 3, sent me this joke. What did the science book say to the math book? You've got problems. You get it? Oh my goodness, that's a good one. And then this one here came from Aiden in Miss Lundy's class, grade 4. So why do bees have sticky hair? Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they use honeycombs. I would not be caught at all using a honeycomb in my hair. That would just make my hair tangle. So I'm going to stay away from that. So I just want to thank you 3 students for sending those jokes my way. I would love to hear jokes from some staff members if they have someone. I shared one from Mr. Mook one time. I think I shared one from Miss Dolan, our secretary at the upper campus one time. If you have some other jokes, send them my way. On that note, today is Wednesday. It's a remote learning day. I hope you are your best you today and every day. And be your best you and make today and every day a great day. I will see you next time. Bye.